Hey y'all, so I'm about to do my cousin's full face, a little natural look. It was a little rush job, so don't mind me if I don't introduce any products or anything like that. We were trying to get to our shoot before the sunset, which actually turned out to be an epic fail because we didn't beat the sunset, but we found a way to work with it. So here I'm just shading in her eyebrows with a brown pencil. Now I'm adding the concealer to shape her brows. Now I'm just gonna grab my beauty blender and just blend it in so it can look as natural as possible. I do recommend using the beauty blender due to the fact that it gives a nice natural blend and it makes blending easy overall. Now I'm just adding the primer and prepping her skin to get ready for the foundation. Now it's time to contour. This is the best part. Now I'm going in with the same concealer that I used for her eyebrows, and I'm highlighting underneath her eye area, her nose, her cupid's bow, her chin, all those areas that you would like to pop out. Make sure you highlight them. And now it's time to blend. Make sure when you're blending, you use a tapping motion. You don't want to stroke anything because you don't want to mess up your artwork. Oh my gosh, I love to contour the nose. Like, that's the best part to me. Don't judge me, y'all. By the way, to contour, I use the darker color concealer, so that way it brings out her features a little more. And now we're just adding a little bit of face powder. This powder is actually from MAC. Apply the powder all around the face. This is how you're gonna get everything to match, if you get what I mean. So here I'm just adding a few finishing touches. I'm adding some more contour powder to her cheeks and to her nose. So y'all see that glow, right? Y'all see that, right? And if y'all see me grabbing different color brushes, don't mind me. It was hectic. It doesn't look hectic, but in my mind it was, you know? So I'm adding some more concealer on her eyelids just so when I add the eyeshadow, it would pop a little. Y'all gonna see what I mean. Y'all gonna see me dipping and dabbing and everything. It's okay. I'm just a perfectionist, and when I want a certain look, I want a certain look. So I just go for it. So I finished applying the eyeshadow, and as you can see, it does pop like I wanted it to. Now I'm just adding the eyeliner. Oh yeah, it's time for the real transformation now. Wait till I put on these lashes, okay? Isn't my cousin gorgeous, y'all? Now we're just adding a little glitter pop. I'm using gold just to have her eyes pop out a little. Don't call me ghetto, but yeah, I do use the eyebrow pencil to outline the lips. I don't know why. I like the effect that it gives. I just love it, so don't judge me, y'all. And her lips are all done. Don't forget the setting spray, y'all. You want your makeup to stay intact, okay? Ooh, cha. All right now, looking good, looking good. Thank you guys for watching and for tuning in. Look at how beautiful my little cousin look, y'all. Okay, now off to this photo shoot.